హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ది వీడియో, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ వీడియోస్. ప్లీజ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వీడియోల నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. Hi, welcome to my rant series. As we were discussing in the last video, even Chinese people are hating their government and are against its proposals and activities. We are wantedly making a Hitler, a monstrosity, a colossal monster we are creating that would devour anything in its path. In World War I, a soldier had baby Hitler, boy Hitler at gunpoint, but he did not fire at him because he didn't know what kind of monster he would turn into when he grows up. He showed mercy on him because he thought he was just a boy. But here we can already see what sort of dangers the Chinese government possesses to the whole world, and if you don't curb it in the early stages, it would be too late later. And as I was telling about the governance of the normal economy during this corona crisis period, which we don't know when it will end, and till it ends, all the governments, even India, has only one plan: impose lockdown if the cases are increasing, and after some time give some breathing period to the people by removing restrictions and allowing as many economic activities in all fields as much as possible, so that people of all professions can earn something and survive. But just be practical. How long do you think we can keep up like this, playing kabaddi with corona, tug of war with corona, imposing lockdown, giving restrictions, trying to continue normal economic activities, and after the trials fail with waves of sudden spikes in corona cases, again putting lockdown. No profession would be encouraging to function normally with this on and off mechanism. Even the products in industries are getting rotten or degraded and causing gas leaks, accidents, etc. because of this on and off mechanism, playing hide and seek with corona. Workers, especially migrant workers, they don't know when to come to jobs and when to run to homes. Markets are opening, and if government is not imposing lockdown, they are exiling themselves into self lockdown, and still there is no answer to eliminate the root cause of the crisis, that is to find the silver bullet answer for COVID-19. Serial shootings, movie shootings are starting and stopping because of coronavirus cases being reported. All fields of normal economy are just playing tug of war, hide and seek with corona. How long will this go on? Do you have any clue when you will get an answer to the crisis? Until then, do you want really to continue this on and off mechanism? And do you really think you can keep on giving rations to the poor people? కూర్చొని తింటే కొండలైనా కరుగుతాయి is a saying in Telugu. If we keep on consuming, we will even finish the whole Indian wealth. All these are not at all people friendly and survival friendly in the long term, especially with the rise of new deadly viruses in China over and over again. Governments have to think about diverting by sacrificing few fields of the normal economy and diverting them to essential goods fields, providing them employment in essential goods fields locally in their own village or town or city, and by practicing social distancing methods and a planned lockdown, by following a planned lockdown during certain timings. A certain partial lockdown continuously with no on and off mechanism should be imposed, and employment should be provided in essential goods fields only, even for people currently working in non-essential categories. In that way, government also will be reduced of the burden of providing rations to the huge numbers of mouths to feed during this unemployment period. So I would like to tell that we should employ a partial, systematic, continuous lockdown with no on and off mechanism, tug of war business with corona, for smooth and proper functioning of the economies and system and lives of people during this crisis till it is solved totally. If not, in the long term we will run out of economy and will not be able to provide any rations to the poor anymore. And all fields of the normal economy will fall into chaos and become dysfunctional because of this on and off mechanism, rendering everything completely useless. Instead of that, if we choose certain essential fields and under continuous partial lockdown concentrate our efforts on the production and supply of essential products by people of all fields, we can survive and thrive in this crisis also. And please save doctors, save our future. With deficiency of healthcare workers and system, we won't be able to even survive a war with the Chinese or anyone. They are very much essential part of war crisis also. And the oppositions and other factors in the country are also behaving like these are normal times. They are finding excuses to blame the government instead of providing solutions if they have any. They are feeling jealous that the ruling party will get credit for the solution if they provide. These are not the times to think like that. Even animals in forests know not to attack other animals during forest crisis like forest fires, etc. They all pull up near a water body and save each other's skin and disperse without attacking anyone. Even the common sense of animals is missing among human beings in these difficult times. So sad. I hope governments would understand that without finding a final solution to COVID-19, we will have to change our lifestyles, economies, everything, and adapt to the current crisis.